My kids love chicken nuggets, but some fast food and frozen chicken nuggets have a ton of sugar, which makes them very unhealthy, especially when my kids want to eat them often. Today, we're going to make a healthier baked alternative that you and your kids will love. You can prepare and freeze these in advance, so when you're hungry, all you have to do is pop them in the oven. First, we are going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we're going to cut boneless, skinless chicken breasts into approximately 1 to 1.5 inch pieces. So we've got just over a pound of chicken here. So about this size is what we're aiming for. We have a couple of smaller ones, that's all right. Now that our chicken's cut, we're gonna mix a 1/4 cup of panko and a 1/4 cup of regular plain breadcrumbs. We're gonna spray these lightly with olive oil and then bake them for 5 minutes, stirring once halfway. This step will give us extra crispy chicken nuggets. Whisk together the following spices: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon garlic salt, half teaspoon ground mustard, and finally a sprinkle of basil. Mix this all together. Now we've taken our breadcrumbs out of the oven and we're going to add them to this mixture. We're going to whisk together 1 teaspoon of milk and 1 egg. All right, so using the tongs, we're going to take a piece of chicken, dunk it in our egg mixture, and then right into the breadcrumbs, making sure we get this fully covered. Then right to a baking pan with a wire rack. If you want, you can skip the toasting of the breadcrumbs. It just adds a little bit of crunch. So guys, use 1 pound of chicken. Otherwise, 1 egg and your teaspoon of milk is not going to cut it, and you're not going to have enough seasoning. So these last 4, experimental, unscripted. Now we're going to spray these generously with olive oil. So we want to cook these for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. My kids love to eat these with ketchup, but I like to eat them with honey mustard, barbecue sauce, or even ranch. If you've enjoyed this recipe, please let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you see our next video where we make air fryer mozzarella sticks. Let the chicken nuggets cool slightly before serving. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.